Hi there, I'm Emily, the co-founder of My Job Glasses. If you don't know us yet, let me tell you a bit more about who we are and what we do. My Job Glasses is the leading mentoring tool in Europe that puts people at the heart of career guidance for young people from 15 to 30 years old. You may be wondering why we created this mentoring tool in the first place? Well, let's say that the idea goes way back. When he was just 30 years old, my business partner Frederick woke up one day asking himself why he has chosen his profession. At the time, he was an actuary. You probably don't know what it is, but basically, an actuary is the professional who takes care of the very complicated calculations to determine the price of your insurance contract. He realized he had chosen his job by pure chance. He was a good student in high school, so after a scientific baccalaureate, he took preparatory classes and then entered an engineering school. He loved math, so he chose to take an applied mathematics specialization. And unlike most of his peers, who became traders, Frederick went on to be an actuary without never having met one or knowing what the job was really about. To avoid anyone else finding himself in Frederick's shoes, we decided to launch My Job Glasses at the end of 2015. Our mission? To make sure everybody is happy with their career choices. Good career advice and knowing all your options beforehand seem absolutely necessary to reach this ideal situation, right? Since the beginning, we aimed to place people at the heart of career guidance by offering all young individuals aged 15 to 30 years old the opportunity to benefit from mentoring sessions easily and for free. In other words, we want to give you the opportunity to be supported by caring professionals from all industries. In France and abroad, who will share their experience and passion with you in a simple and honest way. Through these meetings, you will also be able to easily build your first professional network and to better understand the different job positions to help you find the one that actually suits you. Our mentors use their free time to help students like you, free of charge. By being the most kind and transparent, they aim to give you all the information you need to help you choose your path consciously. Many companies have joined our tool too, since they want to offer visibility to all the professions within their organization and identify the best talents through mentoring. We've come a long way in the past few years, and we do not intend to stop here. Our dream team counts 35 people now, all devoted to helping you find your career path. Our communities of mentors and mentees are growing every day. 52,000 caring mentors are already on board, 25% of which are located abroad, and all of them willing to offer the best advice to you. Also, we have over 3,000 companies from all industries. Impressive, right? You will join a large community of young people. We've helped over 100,000 young individuals in 2020 alone. Check out our other videos to know more about one-on-one meetings with mentors. You'll also enjoy exclusive content to inspire you in your career quest. For instance, we organize several events during the year. First of all, let me introduce you to Un métier d'exception. This webinar takes place at least once a month and focuses on an exceptional profession or career path. During 1 hour, our guest tells our audience more about his or her studies, professional experience, and offers the best advice. You want to know the best part? The format is 100% interactive, meaning that you can ask any question that comes to your mind live. Want to know more about our speakers? Well, I don't mean to brag too much, but we have had some interesting personalities over the past few months. The ambassador of France at NATO, Pierre Moscovici, former minister and first president of the Court of Auditors, Sébastien Missoff, the CEO of Google in France. Check out our YouTube channel to watch all past episodes and stay tuned on our social media. We have some impressive names for this season too. Sorry, no spoiler here. Secondly, we have a series of webinars dedicated to the coolest profession among several companies or organizations called À la découverte d'eux. The first season, focusing on French Navy, is available on replay on our YouTube channel. You will discover the most amazing anecdotes and paths. Those who prefer good old reads will be glad to know we are also writing lots of instructive content on our blog, including advice on how to prepare job interviews, how to know yourself better, interviews with different professionals to know more about their daily projects, etc. And that's not all. We are permanently thinking about new content to add to our platform. Regarding your next steps on our tool, no worries guys, we've got you covered. Check out the following video to continue your journey. Talk to you soon!